Hi all, it's Madison back with another how-to video. In this video, we are looking at how to use Find a Class, our virtual course catalog, to pick out classes and plan your semester.
You'll start by opening your academic planner that you put together during your initial advising appointment. You'll see on my planner, my first course recommendation is an NSI. NSI stands for Natural Science, so that will be the first class we search for in Find a Class. To start out, we'll go to cgc.edu. Across the top, in the gray bar, click on Student Tools. From the Student Tools page, click on Find a Class, and voila! This is our virtual course catalog. To start our search, we'll actually leave the search bar blank because NSI isn't a specific class, but rather a type of class. And then we'll update some filters. We'll select the semester we're planning for, and then the college we're wanting to take classes at, and then select more options. Now we can filter through the different delivery methods, so online, in person, or one of our hybrid options. Next section, you'll see the general education designations. We'll check the box for NSI, Natural Sciences, and then we'll scroll all the way down, click Search. Now you will see a list of all the classes that are designated NSI Natural Sciences. Scroll through until you find one that sounds interesting to you, paying close attention to the prerequisites to make sure that you're eligible to enroll in the course, and also opening up the notes section to make sure that you're reading anything noteworthy. It looks like this class has a lab connected to it that's set to start after the lecture is over, so I would be in class on Mondays and Wednesdays until 2:15. That actually works with my schedule, so I'm going to copy down the 5-digit class number and paste it into my academic planner. I will also copy down the campus, the days, and times of this course. Then I'll make note of the lab portion of the course. This way, when I go to pick out my next class, I can make sure that the times don't overlap. Now we will search for the next course on the planner, ENG 101. On the Find a Class website, I will remove the NSI filter and type ENG 101 into the search bar. Same thing, you'll scroll through the options until you find a class that's offered at a date and time that works well with your schedule. So for this example, because I'm already planning to be on the Pecos campus Mondays and Wednesdays for my science class, I'm going to be looking for my English class to be on Mondays or Wednesdays. This one could work, so I'm going to check the notes section to make sure it's still a good fit. Looks like it works. So I'll be copying down that 5-digit class number and pasting it into my academic planner, and then I'll copy down the remaining course information into the planner, so again, it's all in one place. You will repeat these steps with each class that's listed on your planner until you have your full planner filled out, and then you are ready to enroll.